Ever seen a rainbow melt across a canvas? Just wait till you see what happens when bold colors meet black and white. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into one of the most satisfying techniques in fluid art. I know you never heard of it. It's called the rainbow smear. Only because I made a mistake. But it was supposed to be a rainbow swipe over a dramatic black and white base. So stick around because the final result actually is fire and full of surprises. I started by pouring a split base of black and white to create dramatic contrast. Then I layered rainbow puddles, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple right down the center of the canvas. I also mixed each color with black paint, which helped create those shadowy lacing effects. This piece turned out better than I imagined. Bold colors and soft transitions that just pop. If you enjoyed this pour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more fluid artwork. See you in the next one, and keep creating.